Hi folks, today I've got something for one of you lucky people in this box. Stick around and we'll have a look what's inside it. Right folks, well as you know I do powder coating. I built my own powder coating oven. I'll leave a link in the card up there if you want to have a look at my powder coating oven build. Now you need the powder coating equipment obviously, and you also need a compressor. You can be only a tiny little compressor, like a 25 litre compressor would do the job to run the powder coating gun. But then people at Electrostatic Magic have kindly given me something to pass on to my subscribers in the way of their powder and coating equipment. So let's open the box and let's see what we've actually got in here. So this here come, as I said to you, from Electrostatic Magic, and they've sent me to give to my subscribers the complete kit, including some powders as well. So let's get this all out first and see exactly what's in the box. So you can buy these with the case, but as I said to you, this is the complete kit. And what you'll get in now is the strap for your wrist. You'll get a connection point for your air line or whatever. You'll get a water trap and also some heat-proof tape there as well as the instruction booklet on how to use the equipment. So I won't need to go through that. It just shows you how to set it all up there. This is all brand new and unused. And in here we also get the actual easy coat gun, which is basically all you need to be able to start powder coating if you have a compressor, like a little 25 litre compressor, and maybe a small oven as well. So they give you a couple of these plastic bottles which you basically fill your powders up, and then you'll obviously screw it on like that. I'm sure you know this. Those of you who are watching my videos have obviously seen me use this equipment many times, and how successful it is to use as a beginner. Now, as I said, the earth clip here is a slightly different setup to the one that I had. You can put it around your wrist, which is what I started off doing, like that, and then clipping that onto the bar where your things hang off of. Well, I think this has got a slightly different setup here where you can pull that off like that, and I think you can clip it onto the gun like that, and then just clip that onto your part as well. I personally don't bother using that. I just put my hand on the metal bar and that sort of grounds it out, and then I sort of powder coat. So that's that. Oh, and also they give us you a bag of the hanging wires as well, which all comes included as well in that. So the powders we're going to include in this is a packet of black gloss. There's a lovely bright pink there as well. There's a lovely lime colour, and also there's a mid blue there. And they're all coming to you, all part of this package as well. So if you are interested in winning this, all you have to do to enter is to go down to the comment section below and put in there powder coating equipment, and also like the video, and also share the video on your Instagram and also your Facebook. I will be checking that. So what I'll basically do, because obviously many people comment, not just the people who want to take part. So I'll be going through the whole of the comment section and finding out who's wrote powder coating equipment, and then obviously I can check whether or not they've done the things which we require to actually go into the draw. So everyone who puts down powder coating equipment will get given a number. I'll be doing that on Saturday, probably Saturday this week coming up. So today's Tuesday, so you've got 4 days. I'll finish the draw Saturday at midday, let's say. So any entries after that won't count. So you've got to do it before Saturday midday. Today, for the record, is the 29th today. Right, so that's all you've got to do, folks. I'll leave a link at the end of this video in the cards at the end, so you can see me actually using my kit if you've never done powder coat before. But I would imagine if you are interested and you want to take part in this, you know, you're going to know what this kit is at the end of the day. This is that stuff I use all the time, and I've had successful results in this. So there you go. We've got to thank Electrostatic Magic for that. They've reached out to me and said that they'd like to sort of give something back to the subscribers, because obviously quite a few of you who have watched me powder coat over the last couple of years, I suppose, have actually gone on and bought the kit themselves. And what they also said as well, they're going to do 20 runner-up places where if you do want to purchase this kit from their website, I'll leave a link below the video as well, where you can purchase this kit. So if you don't win it, they're willing to give you 20% discount. So that's for the next 20 people. So if you don't win it and you are still interested, you can get a 20% discount, which is a great discount. Normally people only give 5 or 10% discount. So it's well worth it. And you can pick this up very, very cheaply. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this little video. Don't forget, look again on Saturday evening. I'll try and do the video Saturday evening. It will come out to see if you've won. And 20 runners up will get a 20% discount. I don't know whether it'll be a code or what. I'll have to find that out afterwards. But I will be calling out the 20 people below that if you want to take advantage of the discount code. Anyway, thanks very much, folks. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, bye for now. Oh, just one more thing, folks, what I forgot to mention. Unfortunately, it's only going to be for the UK mainland shipping only, purely because it's quite a heavy parcel and I can't really afford to ship it all over the globe. So it's UK mainland only, please, if you want to apply. Thank you very much.